Welcome to 124 Eucalyptus Drive. We're at the exterior of the building here. It's located walking distance to many wonderful restaurants and shops, Stonestown, and so much more. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You walk into a lovely light-filled living room. Lots of windows, trees that cover the window for privacy. There is a decorative fireplace. Here is a bonus room. This would be a perfect home office. Nice big eat-in kitchen. You have a refrigerator, gas range, dishwasher, sink, and plenty of room for an additional kitchen island or breakfast table. Here's your coat closet. Linen closet, which is located just outside the full bathroom. You have a pedestal sink, bathtub and shower combination. Over here to the right is the bedroom. It's a large bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors throughout this apartment. This bedroom has a nice deep closet. And here you have direct access to laundry and a garage. Okay, if you're interested in this wonderful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thank you.